Manali, Himachal Pradesh, India. Lovers Paradise, India's honeymoon capital. One of the most popular hill stations in Himachal, Manali offers the most magnificent views of the Pir Panjal and the Dhauladhar ranges covered with snow for most parts of the year. Manali has evolved to be a place loved by young people looking for longer stays for vacation. With ambient cafes, good Wi-Fi availability, small eateries and convenient shops, Old Manali is among the favorite neighborhood for such people. There are many homestays and hostels offering dorm beds for cheap for longer durations. Manali has many trekking options around it, making it a great base for exploring this side of Himalayas. River Bees provides great rafting options in the nearby town of Kullu. Adjoining Parvati River lies the Parvati Valley with Kasol, Manikran, Tosh and small villages attracting travelers for longer stays. Atal Tunnel now allows travelers to reach Sissu within a few hours, making Spiti way more accessible. It snows the most in the months of January and February, followed by December and March. Tourists flock to Rohtang Pass and Soling Valley for various adventure activities including skiing, paragliding, horse riding and zorbing. Rohtang Pass is almost always covered with snow and can often get overcrowded and see traffic jams. Ooty, Tamil Nadu, India. Queen of the Nilgiris. Nestled amidst Nilgiri Hills, Ooty, also known as Udumandalam, is a hill station in Tamil Nadu which serves as a top-rated tourist destination. Once regarded as the summer headquarters of the East India Company, the Queen of the Hills is a picturesque getaway. Dotted with tea gardens, serene waterfalls, winding country lanes, and charming colonial architecture, Ooty is the perfect respite everyone. Popular among couples and honeymooners, Ooty allures its visitors with the panoramic views of the Nilgiri Mountains. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is the steepest track in all of Asia. Remember the breathtaking locales as the train chugged its way across lush greenery? Yes, that was the Nilgiri Mountain Railways and the Nilgiri Mountains all along. Darjeeling, West Bengal, India. Queen of the Himalayas. Eye-dropping locales, mesmerizing sunrises, the untouched beauty of the hills, the old-world charm of the past, and the welcoming smiles of the local people all add up to make Darjeeling one of the most beautiful hill stations in eastern part of India. Spread over a steep mountain ridge, nestled amidst acres of lush green tea plantations, Darjeeling stands at the height of 2,050 meters above sea level, thus boosting of cool climbs all year round. This scenic hill station is the perfect getaway for a romantic honeymoon and is just around 700 kilometers away from Kolkata. A respite from the hot and humid summers of India, Darjeeling is a popular tourist destination in northeast India. Providing a heady mixture of splendid tea gardens on rolling mountain slopes, meandering toy train rides through the picturesque city, and delectable traditional Tibetan cuisine, Darjeeling works wonders to cater to the gorgeous panorama of the Himalayas. There is a reason the city is known as the Queen of the Himalayas. The lush green slopes dotted with women plucking tea leaves is a sight as mesmerizing as no other. There are over 80-60 tea estates in Darjeeling that are responsible for producing the worldwide famous Darjeeling tea. Have a cup of locally brewed chai at the tea estate, or get down amidst the plantations to pluck a few tea leaves yourself. You are free to take your pick.